Assalamualaikum and hello YouTube. My name is Nur Muhammad from Watch based in Malaysia, and yes, we are back with another one watch, 5 new looks, right? So in this video we are going to talk about 5 different straps option that you might want to consider when you when you feel that your watch is got bored with the original strap that came with a watch. And yeah, in this case this is the Hamilton Khaki Navy X-Wind, right? So I've reviewed this particular watch a few weeks back, I think. And luckily this thing, although it is quite huge, right? So it comes with a 22mm lug width, right? So let's just give a quick dimension for this particular piece. 44.5mm in diameter from here to here, a massive thickness of 15.6mm, and a lug to lug of about 54.6. So a very huge watch for my wrist, but yeah, still I have a few options available for this particular piece, right? So let's start with the first one, which is this one. Is from the DIY Watch Club. So if you guys have watched my videos a few months back, so I've reviewed their diverse watch version. So that watch came with a 22mm lug width and lug width strap. So this one is their FKM rubber strap, right? So it comes with this quick release pins, which is very handy, easy to put in and easy to take off a watch. And I think they only have it in black color. I know I'm gonna be leaving a link down below. So yeah, this is how it looks. So it has this curve shape to it and makes it very comfortable to use. And we have this central rib here, so giving it much a simple and clean look, right? So on this side we have 2 movable keepers here with a DIY Watch Club D signature on this brush buckle. And like I mentioned just now, quick release pins, so easy to use, take on and to put on and take off, right? So let's put it on the wrist. But before we do that, let's do a quick wristwatch check. Today I'm wearing my San Martin SN021B-2, another iteration or latest version of their BB36 homage watch, right? So very cool watch, right? So let's see how this beast wear on this FKM rubber straps from DIY Watch Club, right? I think they are selling this for around $20. I can't really remember, but yeah, still I will leave a link down below and check that out, guys. So that I'm on the 3rd hole, so maybe people with up to 8-inch wrist or 8.5-inch wrist can still use this particular strap. And because it is FKM rubber, it will not attract any lint, and so that is very good, right? So this is strap number 1, and let's go to strap number 2. Okay, so next up is this waffle strap. I think this one is from Proxima, right? So there it is. There's a Proxima logo there. So another AliExpress brand. So but I think this FKM waffle strap pattern would suit many type of watches, and you see that we have 22mm slot width here, but it tapers down immediately to 20mm, making it look slimmer on the wrist. And yeah, and it's quite thick at about maybe 5mm on this side, and it goes a lot thinner at the end of the strap, which is very cool. And of course we have those waffle style pattern here with a 2 movable keeper paired with this brush and polish finishing buckle, which makes it a bit more expensive, but not really that expensive, at about maybe $15 on AliExpress, right? So of course I will leave a link down below, right? So the only negative or not so good thing about this style of strap, not only for this particular strap but other waffle strap as well, is that the holes, right? The holes is quite far. The distance between the holes are quite far away from each other. You can see here if you compare it. So you can see that this strap is the hole is much shorter, or also the distance between these 2 holes are much shorter. That is why if you want to, sometimes you can get so too big, too loose situation, or too tight situation. Let's see if what the result of this using this particular strap, right? So I think I am good at the 5th hole. So that is a bit tight there. So I can go to the 6 hole, but it's going to be a bit too loose, right? So that might be not be an issue for you, but yeah, still, if you like this style of straps, then yeah, this is the way to go, right? So this is how it looks. I think waffle strap makes for a very good look on any watch for that matter. So of course we have to find something that is big, and yeah, maybe a dive watch, but then still, this is a chronograph watch, and I think it looks good as well, right? So that is strap number 2, and let's go to strap number 3. Alright, so next up is this sailcloth strap from iwantastrap.com, so a company based in Singapore. And yeah, they've said, I think I've had this for a very long time already, 3 to 4 years maybe, but yeah, still, I just love the sailcloth texture here with this blue stitching, and because this is relatively a black and white base watch style, so that is why any color would suit the watch, right? So doesn't have the quick release pins, but the latest version, I think the V3, have a quick release pins, but yeah, this is the version 1, and we have nice blue stitching on this side as well, fixed keeper here and a movable keeper here, and with that polish and brush finish buckle, right? So let's just put it on the wrist and see how does this sailcloth strap looks on this Hamilton khaki crosswind, right? So blue on black is very nice. I think it suits the watch very well, and yeah, this is a good option. But of course, you're not going to be finding this version anymore because they have upgraded to a much thinner strap for the version 3. But still I will leave a link down below if you are interested, right? So this is strap number 3, and let's go to strap number 4. Alright, so this is another strap, silicone strap actually, from Vario, Singapore, right? So this one, yeah, it looks, of course, when you see these holes here, you immediately rally style will come to your mind. And yeah, I think I've had this for quite some time already, and it's still going strong. But of course, it is silicone, it's going to be attracting a bit of lint, and you can see from a few years of use though, so that's this portion here, because it's always rubbing with the keeper, so it will have that shiny look to it. But I don't really mind it because yeah, it still looks cool, right? So the stitching, yeah, this part has already come undone, but that is like what, after 3 or 4 years of use, so that is okay for me. And we have again we have this polish buckle, which doesn't really match this this watch, but still it is okay, not that bad. And yeah, I think it looks cool because of that red stitching, right? So I am on the second hole, and we still have a few holes left, so this strap might be okay for people up to 8-inch wrist. So yeah, that is good, and that is how the rally style silicone strap from Vario Singapore looks like on my skinny 6.75-inch wrist. And let's go to strap number 5. Okay guys, so last but not least, I think the leather strap suits much more better compared to the other strap that I've shown before, because yeah, you know what, chronograph with a leather strap is like some, you know, a match made in heaven, right? So this one is from BluSharkstraps.com. so this is from their double stitch leather strap line, and we have this double stitching up top, and yeah, there's no tapering to the cut of this particular strap, and we have this burnt black look to the outer edge of the strap, right? So I think I have the saddle brown, I think, so I don't remember the color code, but of course I will leave a link down below. And we have this brush buckle up top, fixed keepers here, and movable keeper here. At the bottom side of the strap, again, we have this quick release pin, so which is very good. And on this particular strap, they don't have any stamp BluShark stamp, but yeah, still there is another version that I have that have that stamp, right? So either ways, a leather strap on a chronograph is, you know, a much better option in my opinion, right? So but this one, right, so I am on the third hole, so people with up to maybe 7.25 might still can use this particular strap. So you have to ask BluShark or Joe from BluSharkstraps.com whether if they have another longer option if your wrist is bigger than 7.25-inch wrist, right? So this is how it looks, and that's it guys. So this is my best 5 strap selection for this particular watch. So if you have your own suggestion for any strap that I should take a look. So please do let me know in the comment section below. So if you guys like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more future video reviews such as this one, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Stay safe and bye bye.